apparently Howie is still working on her shell. But guess what, Howie? We got tons of stuff from the post office today. Let's go see what it is. Yeah. All right, this is what we picked up from our P.O. box today. Howie got lots of stuff. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, the first one is, oh, more hats. Yeah. These are cute. Oh boy. Let's see who these are from. Let's see if these are from Barb and Piper. Thank you, Barb and Piper. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Okay, this one is, let's see. Cuddlebone, yeah! We use that a lot. These are great. Let's see who that was from. That was from Carol S. See, such a little crab, so much joy for so many people. I hope this helps you get a good, strong, fast. Good and strong fast. Lots of love to you from this snail dad and now crab enthusiast. All right, thank you. All right. And let's see, another one. Looks like there's multiple things in here. Ooh, peanut butter bites. Howie would love that. Catnip. Oh, the kitties are going to be happy. Lannis, did you already smell the catnip? What is this? You smell it? What do you think? Lannis, you smell it yet? Maybe not yet. Okay. All right. This was from Alex and Navy. So peanut butter bites for Howie. Thank you, Alex and Navy. All right, let's see. This is, ooh. See, Nature Treats apple slices. Ooh, all the animals will like this. Howie will like it, and Hazel, and the bunnies. Thank you. And we got Slims. These are nibble sticks for rabbits, guinea pigs, and other small animals. Ooh, thank you. Let's see. There's more in here. Ooh, wild berry high energy suet. Oh, yay, thank you. The birdies are gonna go crazy for this. This is wonderful for them for the winter, especially when they need energy to stay warm. Thank you, that's wonderful. Let's see, and these are also from Alex and Navy. Wow, you guys really spoiled us. Thank you so much for all of that. Okay, got another one here. And this is aquarium ornaments. Oh my goodness, look at these. Ooh, Howie's gonna love Mr. Krabs the most. Oh, these are gonna be fun. I'm gonna let Howie play with these. Oh, thank you. All right, who is this from? This is from, let's see, Howie, I am overjoyed that you molted. Just a little gift to celebrate and thank you for all the joy you and your mama give the world. We love you. Long live Queen Howie, from Aaron West. Okay. And all right, this is an international package. So it came from like Equatorial Guinea. Let's see what it is. This is cute. Look. I think it's one of those pen holders. Oh, that's darling. Thank you. I don't know who this is from. There's no note or anything, so whoever sent that, let me know. You can email me, message me. I'll try to make sure I get to say thank you to you, because we appreciate all the things people send. All right, so this What do we have? Minced clams. Ooh, Howie's gonna love this. And clam juice. Here, I think Siren might be jealous. She might have to try some of those. Oh, look, and more little hats. These are cute. Siren, what do you think? What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? You're gonna try to get in on this? All right, let's take a closer look at these little hats. These are cute. Aww. You know, Hazel can have a matching one. These are really cute. You're not supposed to be on the table, bad girl. Get down. Come on, down, down, down. Boop, boop, boop. Here. I'll give you some catnip in a minute. We're doing a video. Okay, let's see. I think there was... Yep. Let's see who this is from. This is from... Let's see. Howie has taught me so much about Krabbies. My 7th birthday is the 15th. I sent Howie a gift to celebrate. We love you for being nice, kind, cute, and sweet. I'm glad the mole ended well. That was scary. From Benny Womack. Well, happy birthday, Benny. Your 7th birthday. Wow. This is so nice of you to send this to us. All right, we have one more package and then a card. Let's see. Ooh, this one's packaged really good. I might need scissors. I'm gonna try to muscle it. Let's see. You can hear the garbage truck, sorry. Dear Lauren Howie, I want to thank you for the many hours of entertainment and education I was needed during a rough patch, short illness, and grad school. During the recent weeks, watching Howie molt was a welcome distraction from the stress of the research of my grad thesis. Also, as a Barbie aficionado, I love accessories, especially hats, so I would love to share with Howie the 2 of the hats of my personal collection. The white and black one is vintage hat from 1962. After 5 fashion, the second pink plastic hat is from a modern Playline Barbie doll. I hope she wears them with her happy mouth. Much love, Michelle. Oh, that's cool. Let's look at these. Ooh, we're gonna have to be so careful with this one. That one's vintage. Let's see, yes. This one is perfect for Howie. Nice and plastic, she can't get it wet. Yay. And then, ooh, this one. Oh, wow. So I'll have to gently put this on Howie. Make sure maybe she's not in the water. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Thank you, Michelle. Those are very special. And I'm thankful you shared those with us. I'm gonna treasure them. And I'll definitely take care of this hat. I'll keep it really safe. Because that's beautiful and so thoughtful. Thank you. Okay, let's look at this card. Cover up the address. It's from J. Stevens. And this is really pretty. I love it when people decorate them. I almost don't want to ruin it. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Try not to hurt it. Okay. Howie. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. From Jay. #1 fan. Oh, look at all the Krabby stickers. I know as a kid it's hard to give up stickers, but I'm so glad you sent these to me. I love them. Thank you. Oh, here we go. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your journey. My daughter Jaylyn is obsessed with crabs, especially Howie. We learned a lot together from your molting videos. She would love a pet crab one day. She also wants to be a crab veterinarian one day. We need those. Big goals for my 6-year-old, LOL, Jaylyn and Lauren. Thank you, guys. This is so sweet. And I really hope Jaylyn follows her dream because we do need crab vets. That would just be wonderful. Tell her that's such a noble career choice. All right. Thank you, everybody, for all the gifts. My goodness. All these animals and Howie is so spoiled. Oh, you guys are wonderful. All right. Thank you. Bye, guys. And if you didn't see your gift in this video, like we still get stuff like this and this. And I usually send thank you notes via Amazon in your email. So if you didn't get a private video or a shout out online, make sure you check your email, because I try to keep up with all the thank you notes because I appreciate what we get so much. Isn't that right, Atlantis? Yeah! You're so cute. You say extra thank you for the catnip? Yeah. All right, bye-bye, guys. All right, and 3 more packages came by the time I was finished even editing the other video. So I got the gift of sight and chapstick to feed my chapstick addiction from Nikki and Kenyetta. Thank you, guys. And then the kitties got more Temptations, and that's from Kelly Anderson. Thank you. And then we got some gifts from Paige Davis. She got all these cute little squeaky toys, and there's even a crabby one. Yeah. And she got me chapstick too, and some more treats for Bun Bun and Rabatha. Thank you. You guys are awesome.